If you want to hang curtains without drilling any holes, you have a couple of options. One is to use adhesive hooks. Start by weighing your curtains and curtain rod so you know how much weight the hooks need to be able to hold. Since you'll be using 2 hooks, each hook only needs to be able to hold half of that weight. For instance, 2 16-pound, 7.3 kilogram hooks together can hold up to 32 pounds, 15 kilogram total. Put a pair of pencil marks on the wall on either side of the window where you want the hooks to be, making sure that they're level. Then, peel off the adhesive backings on the hooks and press them firmly to the wall for about 30 seconds each. Wait another 30 minutes before hanging the rod so that the adhesive has time to fully set. Double check that the hooks are level, then hang the rod and curtains on the hooks. Another option is to use a tension rod. Measure the width of your window frame from one inside edge to the other. Then buy a tension rod that will fit. These rods expand to fit the space, so check the package for a size range that matches your window. Extend the rod so it's slightly wider than the window frame, then insert it into the frame at the desired height. The extra width will help create tension and keep the rod in place. Check that it's level, then use a pencil to mark where the ends of the rod go. Remove the rod from the window and hang the curtain on it. Then, reinstall it in the position where you put the marks.